How you doing, field crews? I've gotten a few questions about people that are having trouble with the audio either in their Zoom or in their Microsoft Teams when they use their turret. Here's the first thing you should do. Go over to the little microphone icon in the bottom left corner of your Zoom and make sure that speakers, headphones are selected. That will send audio through your laptop speakers. If you have speakers, Marantz, AVS, or turret audio selected, that will send audio through the headphone jack on your tower, your Marantz tower. Now you can use that, but you've got to plug your headphones or an IFB earpiece into the tower to use that. Now, if you have speakers/headphones, Realtek audio selected, but you're still not getting any audio through your laptop speakers, let's move on to the next step. Click on this volume icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. It'll make a little window pop up, and it'll have the little slider that you can adjust the volume level on your computer. Notice that in the upper right window that pops up, there is a little arrow that you can click on. Go ahead and click on that. Now, if you have your Marantz tower plugged in, it will give you a couple different playback device options. You should have speakers/headphones, and you should have speakers, Marantz, AVS, or turret audio. You want to select speakers/headphones for the sound to come through the speakers or headphone jack of your laptop. If you have speakers, Marantz selected, then the audio is going to come through the headphone jack on your Marantz tower. So give that a shot. If you still have issues, give me a call or text and we'll figure it out.